There we go. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the September 14th New Contributor Workshop development meeting. My name is Bob Killen. I'll be your host today for this hopefully very short meeting. Just to get the general stuff out of the way, this is a publicly recorded meeting, and we abide by the CNCF Code of Conduct, which can essentially boil down to please be excellent to each other. We don't actually have any agenda items, so is there anything people would like to discuss?
Go over status briefly.
Okay. I saw, at least with regard to the issues, Caslin and a couple, I think we actually got a few people to volunteer for some of them. One sec.
Yeah.
Yep, community groups is taken. It looks like communications, why contribute. The ones that are open right now are the release cycle, troubleshooting test failures. You can review. Not. Actually, not sure what that section is for.
Which one?
You can review.
That's one that was pulled from intermediate. That was about showing people how to do a review. I mean, what we should do is look at, there was one from San Diego that was not considered part of the new contributor workshop that could easily be rehashed for that.
Okay. The other one that might just be a good thing to slot in for that one is Thakken's talk on how to be a badass code reviewer. Like, that material is gold.
Okay.
I would pretty much recommend it. Okay, it's something I would honestly recommend to anyone and everyone that's working in public on doing code reviews.
Okay, commented and tagged, and then I'll bug him over Slack in some appropriate time slot.
Here, I will paste the link because we have it from San Diego recorded already.
Oh, really? How's the quality?
Pretty good actually.
Okay.
Here, I will drop the link in chat and then I will post it in the issue.
I'm not sure if it showed up, but I went ahead and tried to claim those 4 segments from, and we're working on that content now at INI.
Awesome.
Oh, awesome.
Yep.
Then we actually, honestly, almost all the areas are assigned.
Okay.
Let me see what's missing. We still need someone to do the KK walkthrough, an overview of the release cycle, and a repo tour.
I could do an overview of the release cycle.
Okay, Repo Tour was originally my addition to the NCW back when. So, wait, this is the Repo Tour separate from the KK walkthrough, right?
I think
The
it's actually
Repo Tour is the other repos as opposed to KK.
okay. The slides are like what's referenced in the issue, at least in the slide numbers, is KK, but I think we can just turn that into the other repos, like go over SIGs and some of the other things.
Okay, well, we also want a KK walkthrough.
Yeah. I think that's the like. Oh, never mind. That is KK. My bad.
Yeah,
No,
there is.
we do have a separate one for KK. No one is assigned to that one. There we go.
Okay.
But yeah, we're actually looking
Okay.
in pretty good shape overall.
Cool. Okay, just claim that one. KK walkthrough will need somebody better than me for.
I have a couple people I can poke.
Yeah.
On the release walkthrough, is there anybody for that?
No one is currently assigned. Did you want?
Yeah, I was going to say, I thought it was you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, I was actually volunteering.
Okay, just assign it to yourself.
Is there a particular issue for that one?
Yeah, if you
I
go
have just assigned you.
Okay, if you go.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, by the way, if you go under Kubernetes/community and you search for the string NCW2 in the issues, that brings up all of the issues for this.
Awesome. I just saw that 4958 was assigned to me.
Yep. So, okay. So I will really try to get the video guide stuff synthesized. I actually have all of the raw text for the video guide. It's just from 3 different sources and
Okay. Was there anything else we want to try and tackle today?
no, not necessarily. It's nothing that needs to be tackled today. I'm like, eventually we'll need to find post-production people to help. I actually have some connections for getting that done cheaply if we can't find volunteers, but I think we'll probably be able to find volunteers because we've got to have at least a couple of people who are in love with OBS in the community. So.
We can just assign it all to Jeef.
Yeah, right. So, and then, so our second part of this is people are claiming this obviously is to get somebody to take them on in documentation format if it's not something that already exists in the contributor guide, which might or might not be the person who's video recording it. So we'll need to follow up on that.
We are also in the process of updating the contributor guide with Rin. There are Season of Docs intern.
Yep.
So all that should be in one concise tone and potentially updated soon.
So actually, here's a question that I don't know that we ever settled. So if people have code snippets, command lines to copy and paste, that sort of thing, where should they put those?
if they are part of, I'd probably put them in the deck, unless they're like lengthy. In which case, put them in the notes, and then we can put them in the events page itself for the new contributor workshop.
Okay. One thing, maybe not right away, but eventually I'd actually rather see the new contributor workshop kind of merged as part of the contributor guide
Mm-hmm.
rather than being treated as an event.
Well, that was part of the reason why it got put under mentoring.
Yeah. The yeah, well, because it really is the but right now the important thing is to just collect all the content. We can always move it around later.
Yep.
The okay.
Okay. Are there any other items we want to discuss today?
Nothing from me.
Yeah, I've been completely swamped on time. I haven't been able to put too much towards this at the moment, sadly.
I'll be working with Happy on the those build and other parts.
Build and test.
Yeah.
So do you say you're just working on it with Hippie?
Yeah. I'll be working with Happy on the stuff.
Great.
Cool. Are you also assigned on those issues?
I don't know. I'll follow up with Happy in the next day or so about them.
Okay. I will drop. If you want to see a quick overview of all of them, there we go. Okay, I think with that we're good then. Any sort of objections or comments at this point in time?
Nope.
Cool. We will call it there.
Okay.
Thanks for coming by, everyone.
Good to see everybody.
Good to see
Bye.
everybody.
Yep. Later.
Be well.